Hey there, it's the English Picker here. I'm out picking on the road, going to a market and stuff. But I don't know if you can see out there, it is absolutely pissing it down. So enjoying a nice cup of tea and waiting for the rain to go off. It's just not good really. It hurts my bottom line if stuff gets rained off, especially if the car boot sales are rained off, because they're all outdoors. So got a few cool bits which I'll show you some of the highlights now. Hi there, so this is what I've come up with today. Went to a flea market, got completely rained out, went to a couple of charity shops, and I went to like a house clearance place. Also got a package through from eBay, which I'll say later. From the charity shop, I picked this up. It is made by a company called Chatham Ship and Shore. It's like sailing gear. It's a bit warm, but not too bad. I picked it up for £2. They go for anywhere between sort of about 8 and 20. So all the ones on there are mostly new though, so I'm not too sure. But I thought for £2 it was worth the risk. I'll probably put it on £9.99 and see how it goes. This is pretty cool. I saw it on another YouTuber's video, one of these, and I picked it up. I paid a huge amount of £2. It was all busted up, but I managed to fix it. So you sort of flick it, and it makes all different sounds. So yeah, pretty cool. I think it's like an African instrument. So if anybody knows the name of it, drop me a comment. Paid £2, fixed it up. It's a good working order now. All the notes work. So that's pretty cool. I don't know what I'll get for that. Maybe 10, 20 maybe. Not too sure. Also from the same vendor, I picked up, sorry about the lighting in here, it's a bit dark. This whole thing of marbles. It was up to about there, but there was a load of real big ones, but they were just smashed, so I've just chucked them away. There's just no point keeping them. I mean, they were like half ones and stuff like that. Just picked out one or two cool ones to start with. This is quite a big one. It's greeny. And then we've got a goldy coloured one. And then an absolutely mint, real nice big one there. So, you know, I paid £3 for it. Should see about, once I sell them individually, about 20 to 30 possibly. Maybe more on the 20 side because they're more modern. From a house clearance place, I picked this up. It's a very roached copy of Westward Ho, but the date in it is 1855. Don't know whether that's the actual date. Gonna go and get it checked out. I only paid 50p for it, but the dust jacket is knackered. So not too sure on that. Picked up some more pens. I got another Schaefer here. It's not as nice as the other one. It's got a really weird nib to it. Fountain pen nib. None of these are gold, unfortunately. They're sort of more modern. I think this one's, it doesn't say gold on it, but I think it's like gold plated. Paid £3 each, so should probably get about 10 each for those, maybe 10 to 12. Picked up some silver. Got a nice little broken necklace there and a bracelet. Don't think the woman knew they were silver. I paid 20p for this one and 50p for that one, so that was cool. Got this. This was in a box. This is why I like boxes that have set prices on, so you can just rummage through and pick everything out, and you know it's a set price. Pick this out. Weighs 4.9 grams. It's not marked, but it tests as silver. Also got these three were all 50p each. Got this one here. Quite nice. I could cut that off and make a pendant out of it, but it does weigh nearly 6 grams. This top bit's gold on silver. It's not marked. It used to be an earring, but it is silver, so that's £2.50's worth. That's £3 worth. And then this weighs 5.5 grams. Again, it isn't marked, but it is silver. This was 50p. So all in all, we've got 255, about £8 worth of scrap there, but I should be able to get more. Overpaid for these. I paid £1 each for these. They are silver. This one's heavily tarnished, but once cleaned up, I should be able to get £3 each, £3 to £5 each. And once I get some backs for that in my antiques cabinet, so that's pretty cool. Picked up some coins. I'll quickly run through them. Got 1980 quarter. These are all 20p each. 1980 quarter and a 1979 and a 1983 Denver, and also a 1956 wheat penny. Got a Greek coin which I'm going to look up. It's quite nice, but it's got a plain edge, not a reeded edge, so I think it's copper nickel. It's one way you can determine an old coin if it is silver. If it's got a reeded edge, it's most likely silver. This is unusual. If anybody can help me with this, it does say Canada at the bottom, and it's really indented. So there's that there, and then on here it says Unsul, and then it says at the top token, and then it's all tarnished down here, and I can't make it out. So why it would say Canada, I'm not too sure. Maybe the province of Canada, not too sure. Got this. This is a East India Trading Company 1/12 Anna, sort of the equivalent of a farthing, dated 1835, which is quite cool. Got a George II, or no, I think it's a George III actually. I can't make out the date, but I thought it was worth for 20p. Got I don't normally get Jersey stuff, but the Island Jersey Liberated 1945 coin, in absolutely mint state condition. Pretty cool. Got a Russian coin. I think it's copper nickel, but I do like the Russian coins. Got two German Nazi from the late 30s, early 40s, 10 Reichspfennig coins. And then these two coins actually came from a guy who buys silver. He's like, his name's Jeff. He's like the guy that you go to. And these are in with the multitude of coins that he's got. I picked him out. I said, how much? He goes, oh, I don't know, give us £1. So it slipped him by. He got, you know, a nice 1941 Canadian 10-cent dime in nice condition. And then I believe this one's silver as well. It's, I think it's Japanese. I've had one similar before. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. So 50p each. That's very nice indeed. So they're the coins, and sort of linking along with that, I recently made an eBay purchase of some coin folders. These are for 2x2s. I got 50 of them for £25. And just wanted a bit of advice on it, really. Talk to a lot of people, and you don't want to get PVC ones of these. You either want to get polyprop or you want to get Mylar. And the way of testing to see if soft flips or things are PVC is I don't know if you can see on the edge here, I've burnt it. Basically, if you burn them and it burns green, then it's PVC. If it burns any other colour, you're fine, it's inert. But if it burns green, you don't really want to put your coins in there because they give it a horrible, gunky kind of green sludge on them. So it's really not a good idea. So I bought these inert ones, and I've started laying out all my coins, which is really useful, because then you can see what gaps you've got and whatnot, and then I can see which ones I can sell on. So not loads today. I think my favourite find was probably that musical instrument, just because it's a bit unusual. But I should do all right on the pens and the marbles and whatnot. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to check me out on Facebook. Search for The English Picker, and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.